How to share reels in your story just with your close friend. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. You go first and you open Instagram. After that guys, when your Instagram is opening, you will just go down here on reels icon. For example, I'm looking for the reels that I want to share. For example, these reels. I will just go here in this share icon, then I will click add reels to your story. Then I will wait. Then when it will come to my story guys, I will go here to share these reels, click here, and then I will click on close friends like this. Then I will click share, and that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.